Not too much, that's it, real hot, I taste it. The pot, very nice, simple. A little bit of grind jeera. I'll show you what this do, right? Just to feel like a cocoa pepper, right? A little dash of salt, add the pepper. So it's gonna be like a real pepper dal, right? There's some cherry peppers and 2 pepper. Just a little bit of dal. And I have one little secret, I'll add to the ending, and we'll just make this amazing. The saffron, curry duck and peas, guys, check it out, look amazing. When you add a little piece to your curry duck, you don't need no dal, nothing. But as I said, can't cook with pepper, so I cook the dal once with the pepper. And I will see what I do after. And then transform the dal. No chunking required when you do this. There's somebody craving from the duck. Right? Some of the curry duck sauce, that have jeera, that masala, that curry, that everything. That is gonna make it different. Now you go, check it out. Check it out. I'll cook down a little bit again and it's good to go. Will you eat it? No pepper sauce, no pepper. Just some of the style in your food. A little bit. Yummy. Wow. Not too much, that's it, real hot, I taste it. A little bit again. They have all the nice cherry peppers, guys. And that's my Sunday lunch. Check it out. Pepper dal, curry duck and peas, and some nice white rice. Would you eat it? Time for the big taste test. A nice piece of duck. Should I have a cherry pepper? Why not? A little bit of rice. Perfect, 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 perfect bite. Happy Sunday, guys.